Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making this Easter pillow sham. So the first thing you're going to need is this bunny chair cover from Dollar Tree. Then you're going to need just a pillow and some ribbon. The first thing you're going to do is cut about 15-inch strips of ribbon. You're going to need between 3 and 4. I chose to use 3. The next thing we're going to do is take our chair cover out of the packaging, and we're going to flip it over so that we can access the bottom here to put our ties on. So all we're going to do is open up the bottom and flip it open like this, and it should lay flat for you. And we're going to put the ribbon on the bottom section first. So I chose to put the 3 ribbons on the bottom, so I just do 1 in each corner and 1 down the center, and I'm just going to use hot glue to attach these ribbons. The reason you only cut 3 ribbons is because we're going to attach this to the other side and then cut these in the middle to make ties. It's just easier to line them up this way. So to find the center of the pillow, I just found the bunny nose and went straight down, put some hot glue there, and put my second ribbon on, and then I'm just going to do the same thing for the next corner and put the 3rd ribbon on. And you only need a little dot of hot glue. It really doesn't take a lot, and I've made these for Christmas and they stay in place really well. So now to put the other side of the ribbon on, we're just going to make like a loop. So make sure you're gluing the ribbon to the inside of the pillow sham. So to make these little loops, I just fold it over and then I put a little dot of hot glue there and then glue those into place, and I just do all 3. Now that I have these loops, I'm going to cut them in the middle. So I just fold the pillow sham back down, and then I fold the ribbon flat and find the center, and then I just cut the ribbon right in the center, and that's going to be our ties. Now I'm going to take this lighter and I'm just going to singe the ends of the ribbon, and that's so that they don't fray. You don't want to put the heat too close to the ribbon. You don't want it to catch on fire. You just want to melt the ends just a little bit. And then all you do is stuff your pillow into the chair cover, which is now a pillow sham, and then tie your little bows at the bottom and fluff it up, and you have this really cute little pillow for Easter to decorate, you know, in your living room, your family room, even a bedroom. It's just really cute, super easy. And then when the holiday's over, you can just take it off the pillow and put your room back together after you're done with the decorations. I hope you guys like this tutorial, this little DIY, and I hope you guys, if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And as always, thank you so much for watching.